According to the instructions, if the battery is dead or the laptop isn't powering on initially with the new battery, maybe the battery is discharged completely to 0%. So it says it can take 10 to 40 minutes to charge from 0 to 10%. Please feel free to use it. So in other words, it looks like it may take up to 40 minutes for the battery to reach 10% charge, but at this point I don't know if it is actually charging or not, and it says please feel free to use it. So maybe I can try to power on the laptop now. It should power on um, even if the battery is at 0%. Maybe the adapter supplies the power when the battery is 0%, and it also charges the battery. So let's try powering it on. Got to keep it pressed for a minute. Nothing seems to be happening. So maybe I'll just let the battery charge for up to 40 minutes so that it reaches at least 10 reaches at least a 10% charge, and then see if that works.